Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows 10 automatic maintenance. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click H-key local machine. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows NT. Click Current Version. Click Schedule. Click Maintenance. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type maintenance disabled. Change the value to 1. Click OK and exit registry. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.